Today we have a super exciting video because, as you can tell by the title of this video, this was the first day that we got our keys for our condo, townhouse. I keep calling it a home just because it feels like my home now. But anyways, I wasn't really sure what I was going to be doing with all of these clips, but I just picked up my camera the first day we had our keys, and first little bit is like a little sneak peek walkthrough of the condo. It's not very professional, it's not very good, but in our last apartment, I'm like, I have to wait until everything is perfect to do an apartment tour, and then I just never did one because of course it's not going to be ever perfect. So I just wanted to get some shots because I know some people are very excited to see what the condo looks like. Please enjoy. I walk around, show you a little bit of the apartment, and then it's just like a little gift that our realtor gave to us, and then just kind of us like playing in the new kitchen. So enjoy, and of course there will be another video with our furniture when we're more moved in. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get to it. Hey, this is me walking you through our condo. I'm starting in the dining room, and as you can see, we have a cute little light fixture that will go above the table. And then next I kind of just take you into the kitchen, a little sneak peek. It's actually so spacious, and we love the open shelving. So cute. Take you in and I show you my favorite part of the condo, which is my walk-in pantry. Super exciting little feature, and obviously super functional. It has a little step up, so you just kind of walk in, and then this is where we're keeping all of our food and miscellaneous items. Just another view there, more open shelving. I can't wait to get these all styled up. They're gonna be so cute. And then I just take you out back into the kitchen. Obviously, things are a little messy because, you know, we're just rolling with it. And then I take you upstairs. Surprisingly, really like having the carpet on the stairs. It just feels so homey. And then second flight, here we go. Super homey. I also really like the floors, just saying. This is the primary bedroom, so this is where we'll stay. Has his and her closets, which honestly, it's a must. You guys know that for me. And oop, AC, love it. So just another little shot of the room. Then we go into the spare room. And yeah, little closet there. It's a good little sized room. Perfect for guests and an office. And love that little light fixture, so cute. Little laundry room, and then we go into the bathroom, and then I kind of start talking here, so I'm going to stop this recording. We love this mirror. And also look. Oh baby. It's gonna be so good for filming.
Ooh, yeah. Love that.
Oh, this is really good lighting. Peep my new Abercrombie dress. So cute. And we've got a bathroom.
Did we see this before?
See what? I noticed it.
I think it's to access, so you can access. We can put a door over it.
Oh yeah, it looks like there's actually a piece right there that you can even put up.
Oh, they had it. Do you think that heat pump will push this way?
This is the gift basket, closing basket that Kathy gave us. We've got a little plant pot, really cute. She gave us a set of 10 glasses, but I just put a couple in
So cute.
to make it look cuter. So we're currently having a rosé. And then we got some little towels that say some really cute stuff. Like it's beginning to look a lot like cocktails. Love the motto. And then that cute little planter. Garden fresh, maybe plant some herbs in that. And then this is one of my faves, I think, in the basket. Honey Dearest. It's a little honey storage container, I believe.
I love that.
I think it's so cute. We're gonna need some fresh honey. And then we got some more little cute holding containers. Very, very cute and practical. And then we got a cute, sorry, do you mind?
Give her
the
an
noise?
inspection.
Then we got a cute little homemade cookbook. Has all of her classic baked goods, which is really cute because we know she likes to bake. I was checking out the apple and blueberry crisps.
Oh, let's look at the Boston cream.
Jordan wants Boston cream. And then a very, very cute blanket.
Throw blanket.
Throw blanket. And we were just sitting on it. Very cute, comfortable. Gonna go with all the neutrals and love the basket.
This fits the look we went for, like the beach house.
The neutral beach house beige aesthetic.
In the city aesthetic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Aesthetic. What's wrong with the aesthetic?
So we are just here checking out our spring.
That's...
Do you mind? Stop. Try not to make so much noise, please. So we're just here checking out our new apartment. Sorry.
New kitchen.
New kitchen, condo, townhouse.
Mm-hmm.
And we're really excited.
Oh my god, okay.
So
I just need to get over here for a glass.
Okay, I'm gonna stick here.
Babe, what are you doing?
Okay, so I'm gonna pretend I'm doing, which is right here.
Okay, we just need a couple stuff up here.
Okay.
Did you get that into the freezer, babe?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this freezer door opens, it doesn't slide.
Why would it slide?
Well, like a couple of ones I've seen, like, shh.
Oh.
This is a door.
I see.
It's alright, it works. I don't know if you have that ice machine that you wanted.
So, okay, looking at it this morning, it looks like you have to fill it up,
Yeah.
and then you overturn it, and it dumps the ice.
Okay, that'll work.
So maybe you take it out like this. Do you want to try it?
Yeah, sure. Fill her up. Oh, you can throw in vacation mode.
What does that mean?
Like it just puts it. What do we want our fridge at? I like it.
Can you open the freezer?
Yes. Okay, that is clutch, babe. Oh, and then all you have to do is turn this. Oh my god. Wow!
La!
What do you think about the space though, eh?
It's amazing.
Look at, so, let's do our kitchen.
Okay, I'm chopping over here.
Okay, I got peppers going.
These are deep cupboards.
We got peppers going. Okay. Oh my god, okay, need something in the fridge. Okay, got in there. Oh, there's a drawer here. Oh, dishwasher's dirty. Okay, babe, let's load the dishwasher. Oh my god, look at, you can actually go around and open the fridge. This is so clutch.
Because before ours there was probably like this much space. So like just that extra foot is gonna.
Hey, no, we're not.
So, you guys, we are obsessed. We've been just hanging out. And yeah, we love it. There's no lights in the living room, and this footage is probably gonna be super echoey because there's no furniture. Furniture to come, so I'll probably include clips from this, from tonight, and then also once we have our things moved in. But I'm not waiting until our apartment is perfect for a tour, because I made that mistake with the last one. But you guys, look at this lighting for filming. Love. Okay, come here, give me a kiss.
Okay, good night, everyone.
Good night.
Mwah.